hello. I'm bored. At my sister's house. I'm bored. Waiting for my mother. Stay. Won't you stay forever? Hey. Stay forever, yeah. Singing Radiohead at the top of our lungs. Oh no, it's raining again. Don't rain on me. Don't rain on me. It's raining. It's starting to rain again. It's my sister. Go ahead. Let's stay right here. Pedobear.
I love little girls, they make me feel so good. I love little girls, they make me feel so bad. When they're around, they make me feel like I'm the only guy in town.
Oh dear Lord. Oh dear Lord. It's raining.
I love little girls, they make me feel so good. I love little girls, they make me feel so bad.
Looks like one leg is missing.
It does. Little girls, they make me feel so bad.
Good. I want to see the other
Sometimes it
one.
says bad and then sometimes it says good, so it's confusing. Which one, the Lazy Town one or?
Yeah, the Lazy Town one. She's like,
Wait, what did she do?
Peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time. Where you at? Where you at?
Oh my god.
it's Pedobear.
Pedobear.
Or Pedo.
Butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly. Do the peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly with a baseball bat. Peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly with a baseball bat. Now where you at?
Oh my god.
Where you at? Where you at? There you go, there you go, there you go.
He's drilling.
Peanut butter jelly.
What the heck? I'm forgetting to do.
Robot in. It's from a game. It's from Domo.
Quagmire. Oh my god, he's doing it.
Cheerleader. This is a little girl.
Homer Simpson. Oh my god.
Peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly. Do the peanut butter jelly.
What the heck?
Peanut butter jelly with a baseball bat. Peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly with a baseball bat.
Oh my god.
So let's go.
This is a really long video.
Let's ride. With a baseball bat. Peanut butter jelly, peanut butter.
It's raining.
I can see that. Ready?
Oh god.
I love little girls, they make me feel so good. I love little girls, they make me feel so
He looks so scared.
when they're around, they make me feel like I'm the only guy in town. I love
He's like scoring.
Oh god.
I love little girls, they make me feel so good. I love little girls, they make
What the heck?
The duck song.
I like the original duck song. The poor duck. Where the heck is my mom?
Here it is. I found it.
Oh god.
I love little girls, they make me
Can you see it? Yeah. Okay.
I love little girls, they make me feel so bad. When they're around, they make me feel like
What the heck? This is not the one, is it?
That is it, see?
little girls, they
Can you see it?
Yeah, poor Pedobear.
Poor Pedobear.
I
Poor
mean-
Stephanie. Holy crap, it's raining harder.
It's only the beginning.
Oh my god. This thing's like an hour long.
Oh my god.
Oh my, is this the whole video? Seriously? I thought it was this one. Yeah, this one's it.
Jackpot.
Her eyes.
Poor Stephanie.
I know.
She likes it.
Shut up, this is weird.
Guys in town. Little girls, they make me feel so good.
This is the weirdest song. Like, who even made this song? Oh my god.
Oh yeah, I forgot this one.
Me too. And this is the reason you should not do splits.
Right?
Like,
Near Peter.
seriously. You're a Pedobear. Life lesson.
Yeah, don't do splits around Pedobear. A message from us.